Hi everyone, trust you're all doing great. I wanted to do a quick video on how I air fry very delicious yam chips. So here I have my yam cut in the way I like it already. All I'm going to do is season it with three things: salt, red pepper, right, and then some olive oil, right. So when you're choosing oil in the air fryer, you have to be considering the temperature you're going to set. So olive oil can be good till about 185, 190 degrees Celsius. So it's good, but always have that in mind. Some oils have that low smoking point, so you want to use oils when you're going above 200 degrees that actually can take that. So that's why a lot of people use avocado oil for that. But that's just a tip, by the way. So put some salt in this, right? Not too much. Then some red pepper. I like the way it blends with it while it's cooking, right? So the air fryer, of course, does not fry but kind of roasts. So this is a very nice blend. What comes out with the yams, roasted yam, but almost tastes fried. So it's a nice mix. Just a little bit of olive oil, so that it's not too dry. You mix that up. It's a very nice mix, and it's a healthier option. Number one, because you're using less fat as in the oil. Number two, so that of course is anti-inflammatory, right, which is what you want to be doing. And then and of course less calories. So for those who want to lose weight, this is a healthier way to eat your yam. For those who want to gain weight, yam is a very good source of energy. Like, I usually take yam every day I'm doing heavy weights. It helps, it just boosts my energy, right? And it's a very high source of potassium too also. So mix it like this and we're good to go. Put it in the air fryer. So let's go there. So here I have my air fryer basket with the parchment paper. This helps to ensure that it doesn't get soiled, right? So I can use it, for things like this without having to really clean it all the time. So let's put it in there. It can stay without having to space them out so much. It will do just fine. So this is just enough for me to eat. So if you're serving many people, then you probably have to use a bigger air fryer or do multiple batches. But it's a very good and easy way to do things, especially the fact that there's no more fume. I used to like fried yam a lot, but of course now that's not the healthiest way to eat, and obviously it's a lot more stress, fuming the whole place, and just the whole stress of frying and deep frying. So here we go. Let's put it in the fryer. So here we are. Set it up nicely and set it to 185 degrees for 25 minutes, right? So let's set that now. My air fryer has like a preset timer, so I have to kind of like go around like this. So I want 25 minutes. I also want 195 degrees. Yeah, that's already set. So let's leave it. We don't have to actually turn it around half time, just leave it, let it go all the way. When it's ready, it will be very ready. So see you guys soon. Yeah, so it's ready now. Let's check it out. Yeah, see what it looks like? Nice and brown, right? Let's check it out. Yeah, just quite, right? So let's put it on a plate. So here it is. Very well done and delicious, right? So let's give it a taste. No cap. Extremely delicious. So if you haven't tried it before, please try it out. It's so simple and easy, and you have an easier way, quicker way to get your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right? If you have done air fryer yam, let me know how you do it in the comments below. Let me know what you think we should try with air fryer. I have one thing I really like doing with air fryer, which is ram meat, and I'll do a video on that soon. Ram meat comes out very excellent. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this will help someone. Kindly like, subscribe, comment, share this video with people that you feel will be blessed by it.